We are indeed delighted to have all of you join us at this one-of-its-kind grand award ceremony for the India's manufacturing sector. I'd also like to take the opportunity to thank all of our esteemed partners for making this event possible. Well, in this journey of 8 years, the Machinist Super Shop Floor Awards has become a well-known name for the manufacturing industry, and the competition to have this trophy has become extremely tough. This year, we've received remarkable response from all of the quarters. This year, we've received nominations from sectors like defense, pharma, construction equipment, consumer durables, etc. So, ladies and gentlemen, all of you who will hold the trophy today obviously deserve it well. Can you please put our hands together for this enthusiastic industry that's here today? So let's begin the show with the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you so much, gentlemen. May I now request Mr. Rahul Kamath, Editor, B2B Division, Worldwide Media, to join us on the stage for his opening remarks.
Let me at the outset extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the Machinist Super Shop Floor Awards 2022. As a developing nation, India is making huge strides toward the development of the manufacturing sector, realizing its potential to contribute towards country's economic growth and amount of employment it can generate. India's manufacturing sector is in continual state of transformation, and in the era of sustainable development, manufacturers are embracing the new paradigm of green growth to create environmentally conscious industrial operations for the future. There is a need for the industry to collectively become more outward-looking and forward-thinking, so that the manufacturing plant of the future is one that puts a low-carbon, resource-efficient economy first. I would like to conclude my speech with a quote said by our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And he says, "The principle of common but differentiated responsibilities is the bedrock of our enterprise for a sustainable world." Thank you so much.
I would now like to invite up on stage Mr. T.K. Ramesh, Managing Director, Micromatic Machine Tools Private Limited, to present his welcome note.
I once again extend a very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you here. Thank you for making another year of joyous celebration of the people of the shop floor. It seems only like yesterday when these thoughts were conceived and brilliant idea kind of came forward, which prompted the machinist and the ACE Micromatic group to kind of co-create an award, an evening, a celebration for the people who normally toil on the shop floor. So why don't we create an opportunity wherein which these people are recognized? So that's how the Mackie was conceived and evolved about 8 years ago. And I'm very, very happy and proud to be associated with this and see this brand grow. So thank you again for being here with us. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we move ahead, we're now directly moving on to the first set of the awards for today, the prestigious Editorial Choice Awards, which will be awarded by none other than our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Thawarchand Gehlotji, Honorable Governor of Karnataka. Well, these awards were conceptualized to recognize the efforts of amazing manufacturing professionals whose vision and leadership have set a benchmark for the others. Without further ado, let's felicitate the first award of the day, and let's find out who the Machinist Sustainable Manufacturing Company for 2022 is. Let's take a look. The Machinist Sustainable Manufacturing Company for 2022 is Alstom. Gentlemen, it's now time to see who that young and dynamic leader that wins the Machinist Next Generation Leader 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the Machinist Next Generation Leader 2022 is Mr. Ankit Mehta, co-founder and CEO IdeaForge. As we move ahead, let's now find out who the Machinist CEO of the Year is. Well, the Machinist CEO of the Year goes to Mr. Satyakam Arya, Managing Director and CEO Daimler India Commercial Vehicles. Well, our next award in this category is for the Business Leader of the Year award. Let's take a look at who the winner is. Well, it is a great honor to proudly present the award for the Business Leader of the Year to Mr. R. Madhavan, Chairman and Managing Director, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Well, our last award in this category is extremely special to us, an award which we are deeply honored to bestow, an award for tireless and selfless service. It is for outstanding contribution to the manufacturing industry. It is a great honor to proudly present the award for outstanding contribution to the manufacturing industry to Dr. Murugesh Nirani, Minister of Large and Medium Industries, Government of Karnataka. Well, you know, when we have such a moment, we have to make the most of it, and it is indeed a remarkable moment for all of us here. May I please request all the other editorial choice winners to come up on stage for a group photo with the Honorable Governor. Let's congratulate all of our winners and put our hands together as they join us up on stage for a picture. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moment is now here as I request our Honorable Governor of Karnataka to deliver his Chief Guest Address and also encourage all of our winners.
मुझे यह जानकर के अत्यधिक प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप और वर्ल्ड वाइड मीडिया द्वारा वर्ष 2015 से औद्योगिक एवं कॉरपोरेट जगत में विनिर्माण को बढ़ावा देने की दृष्टि से श्रेष्ठ कार्य करने वाले व्यक्तियों को मशीनिस्ट सुपर शॉप फ्लोर अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया जाता है। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में भी ऐसे श्रेष्ठ काम करने वाले महानुभावों को सम्मानित किया गया है। मैं इन सभी महानुभावों को बधाई देता हूं, शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। यह अवार्ड हमारे देश के औद्योगिक एवं कॉरपोरेट जगत में विनिर्माण के लिए दिए जाने वाला पहला और एकमात्र रेड कॉरपोरेट अवार्ड है। आज भारत का स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम दुनिया में आकर्षण का केंद्र बना हुआ। दुनिया के हर मंच पर भारत की क्षमता और भारत की प्रतिभा की गूंज है। इस गूंज में और वृद्धि करने की आवश्यकता है। यह एक खुला और निष्पक्ष मंच है जो भारतीय विनिर्माण के लिए श्रेष्ठ कार्य कर रहा है। मैं इसके लिए आपको बधाई देता हूं और विश्वास करता हूं कि आप सक्रियता से इस काम को और आगे बढ़ाएंगे, अपने देश के प्रति जिम्मेदारियों का निर्वहन करने की कोशिश करेंगे, नव भारत निर्माण तथा आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण के स्वप्न को पूरा करने के लिए जन भागीदारिता की आवश्यकता है। आप सभी को ये प्रयास आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर तेजी से बढ़ रहे देश के प्रयासों में एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान होगा। मैं टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप एवं ग्रुप की सहायक कंपनी वर्ल्ड वाइड मीडिया को बधाई देता हूं और उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना के साथ मेरी बात समाप्त करता हूं। आप सबका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए जय हिंद, जय भारत।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we are taking a short break. We'll see you on the other side of the break. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We now move on to the second part of the Machinist Super Shop Floor Awards 2022. It's now time for an exciting segment of the awards. Let's find out who's going to take home the trophy tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're ready to cheer for the winners. Let's start with a category that is very dear to the industry. That's innovation. To present the awards, may I invite up on stage Mr. Ramakrishna Idara from Fibro India and Mr. Aveen Padma Prabha from Carl Zeiss. Let's see who the winner in the Innovation SME segment is. And the award for excellence in innovation in the SME segment goes to Omega CK Mobility. Congratulations. And now the winner in the innovation category, let's find out who that is. Let's take a look. The winner for the Excellence in Innovation Large Enterprise category is Tata Motors Limited, CVBU Pune. Congratulations. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us up on stage. Let's move on to our next category, that's Manufacturing Excellence. To present the awards, I'd like to invite up on stage Mr. T.P. Sridhar, Chief Executive Officer, and Mr. B. Raghavendra, Whole-Time Director, Ace Designers Limited. Well, let's take a look at the winner in the SME category. And the winner for the Excellence in Manufacturing SME segment is Supreme Trion Private Limited, Sanand Plant. Congratulations to the team. Thank you, Mr. Sridhar. Thank you, Mr. Raghavendra, for doing this with us. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next, that's a large enterprise segment. To present our next awards, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Umesh LS, Director and CEO, and Mr. Muralidhara Rao, Chief of Supply Chain and Exports, Ace Manufacturing System. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who the winner in the Manufacturing Excellence Large Enterprise segment is. And the winner for the Excellence in Manufacturing Large Enterprise is Aurobindo Pharma Limited. Congratulations to the team. Congratulations. Thank you, Mr. Umesh. Thank you, Mr. Rao, for joining us in presenting the trophies to the winners. And now it's time to announce the winners in the digital manufacturing category. To present these awards, may I please invite up on stage Mr. Harish B, Chief Executive Officer, and Mr. Ravi Rana, Vice President, Micromatic Machine Tools. Let's welcome them, please. Let's now move on to the winner in the digital manufacturing SME. Let's take a look. And the winner in the category of digital manufacturing SME is Kranti Industries Limited. Congratulations. to the large enterprise segment of digital manufacturing. Let's take a look. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner in the category of digital manufacturing large enterprise is Hyundai Motor India Limited, Chennai. Congratulations. Congratulations to the team. Thank you, Mr. Rana. Thank you, Mr. Harish P, for doing this with us. May I please request you to take your seats? Going forward to our next category, I'd like to invite Mr. Luca Metuki and Mr. Hanish Arora from Marpos to felicitate the winners in the category of quality. Let's felicitate the winners in the next category, which is quality. It's time to find out the winner in the SMEs category. And the winner in the category of quality SME is FMPVW Bearings Private Limited. Congratulations. Moving towards the large enterprise. To know the winner in the category of quality, let's take a look at the AV. And the award for excellence in quality large enterprise goes to Alstom Madhepura Electric Locomotive Private Limited. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. And thank you, Mr. Luca. Thank you, Mr. Arora, for doing this with us. May I request you to please be seated? Moving towards the next category, may I please invite Mr. Yatendra Kumar and Mr. Haribabu Gopal, National Sales Head, Forbes & Company, brand Totem. So with that, let's find out the winner in the SME EHS segment. And the winner in the category of EHS SME is Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Meghalaya Coil. Congratulations. Felicitate the large enterprises segment of the EHS category winners. Let's take a look. And the winner in this category of EHS large enterprise is Bajaj Auto Limited, Chakan. Congratulations. Congratulations to the team, and thank you, Mr. Kumar. Thank you, Mr. Gopal, for doing this with us. May I please request you to be seated? Now moving on to the human resources. To felicitate the winners in this category, may I please invite Mr. Deepak Paul, Managing Director, IGIS India, and Mr. Magesh Ramados, MD Partex Marking Systems India Private Limited, to do the honors. And ladies and gentlemen, going to the winner in the SME segment, the HR category, let's find out who the winner is. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner in the category of Human Resources SME is Supreme Non-Woven Industries Private Limited, Bawal. Towards a large enterprise segment, let's take a look. And the winner in the category of HR large enterprise is Alstom Transport India Limited, Sri City. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you, Mr. Paul. Thank you, Mr. Ramados, for doing this with us. Moving towards the next award category, to felicitate the winners in the corporate social responsibility, can we please invite up on stage Shri R. Madhavan, CMD Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and Mr. Srinivas Adappa from Tyrolite, India. A very good evening, gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. And ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to find out who the winner is in this category. Let's take a look. And the winner in CSR Large Enterprise is Zydus Life Sciences Limited. Congratulations. Shri Madhavan sir, may I please request you to remain on stage with me? I'm going to thank Mr. Adappa and request you to be seated. Moving towards the last category awards section to felicitate winners in the supply chain management, may I please request Mr. Siva Raman G from All Cargo Group to join Mr. Madhavan up on stage. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's now see who's excelled in the supply chain management. Let's begin the felicitations from the winner in the SME category. The winner in the category of Supply Chain Management SME is Supreme Trion Private Limited, Sanand Plant. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to find out who the winner is. And the winner in the category of Supply Chain Management Large Enterprise is Cummins Technologies India Private Limited, Devas. Congratulations to the team. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us. And thank you, Mr. Sivaraman Ji, for doing this with us. I'm going to request Sri Madhavan to please remain on stage with me for just a bit longer. So here comes the Super Shop Floor of the Year. And to felicitate the same, may I please request Mr. T.K. Ramesh to join Sri Madhavan up on stage. Thank you, sir, for joining us. With that, let's find out the Machinist Super Shop Floor of the Year. And the Machinist Super Shop Floor of the Year goes to Shakti Pumps India Limited. Congratulations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of this year's edition, the 8th Machinist Super Shop Floor Awards. Once again, congratulations to each and every one of you.
Really been interesting watching the Super Shop Floor awards grow year on year. The highlight of 2022 is that it came back to being a full-fledged event after the COVID scenario of 19 and 20 or 20 and 21. So that was a highlight. Participation was more. We had much better category of entries. Overall, it has been a very, very pleasant experience as a sponsor to watch this Super Shop Floor Awards gain strength year on year.
Super Shop Floor Awards, we are associated for last 8 years, and this year was much better, fantastic. We have added as good Worldwide Media or Times of Group have added few more categories, which are interesting, and I foresee this will be some more categories to be added next year, and I am extremely happy personally to attend this award.
Gati and All Cargo have grown from being a key partner to large businesses through the unmatched reach and reliability of our express logistics network to becoming an enabler and orchestrator of end-to-end logistics and fulfillment for the MSME segments over the past few years. Our investments in technology, network expansion, modernization and automation has allowed us to overcome disruption and challenge while consistently creating value for micro, small and medium businesses as we support Make in India, by moving India.